Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatisha, and in this video we will be talking about how the CPU works from inside. So inside the CPU we have a program counter. What does program counter do is it actually calls the address or calls the next program by calling its address. So there's an instruction decoder. So it decodes that address and brings the next input. There's a ALU that is located inside the CPU. It is an arithmetic logic unit where it adds, subtracts, multiplies, and divides and performs arithmetic operations. And lastly, there are registers in the CPU which store the data. So over here, we have we will demonstrate that how a computer works. So here is a CPU which has three buses that are address bus, and that will bring the input from IO pins. There's a data bus that will bring the data input from these addresses and from these inputs, and there's a control bus. So there are control bus that has write and read. So first of all, we have to bring this 0. So we should have, so this is a program counter has 0. So this 0 moves the address bus. So after this, we have this 31 on the 0. So this 31 moves the instruction decoder, and it will decode this 31. So on 0 we have this 17 input, and this input 17 will move into the register A. So here it moves from the register A. So from here this 31 decodes and will give address 17. So before doing that, when the program counter has given 0 over here, it automatically updates itself and makes itself 1 ready for the next instruction. So this 0 will be decoded into 17, and then an input from 17, that is 9, will come from the data bus and will be stored in registers. So this A, it moves into the A register. Here we can see where the 17 input moves to the A. So now we have 1 in the program counter. This 1 will move to the address bus. 1 moves to the address bus, and from this we have C4 in this 1. So this will move C4 in the instruction decoder, and now program counter will be updated to 1 to 2. So here program counter has changed to 2, and this C4 will be decoded into, that is A will move to the B, that is register A info will move into register B info. So A info moves to the register B info. So now program counter 2 will move to the address bus. So you can see over here that in address 2 we have 26. So now 26 will move from 26 will move from data bus to instruction decoder, and this instruction decoder will decode 26, and we have the 6 info, that is on the 6th, will move to the A. Now what we have in the 6 is this 5. So in 6 we have this 5, and this 5 moves to the data bus and will be now stored on A. So this 6 info that has moved to the register A. We have called 6 from here. Again, if I reverse it, you can see right here we have called address 2. Address 2, sorry, address 2 has 6, and the 6 has 5 data, and 5 data moves into A. So now the program counter has been updated to 3. This 3 will move in the address bus. Now in 3 we have 81. So this will call 81 instruction decoder, and 81 will have this A plus B. Now this is the addition operation which will perform into an in an ALU. So program counter has been updated to 4, and this 5 moved into the ALU, 9 moves into the ALU, and addition happens, and whatever the addition result will be, it will be stored into A, register A, as you can see over here. So after that, we have instruction a program counter 4. This will move into the address bus 4. So on address 4, we have EA. This EA instruction decoder, EA address move into the instruction decoder, and this EA contains that A will be moved into 7. The program counter has been updated to 5. Now address has got the 7. Now what we have the value in A? We have the sum that was equal to E in A register, and this E will be moved into the address 7. Now this E will move from the data bus into address 7. We are writing all the operations that we did before were performed by control bus, that were read operations, that were you were reading from the addresses and performing those operations. But its last operation was a write operation, so we write it into the address that was in 7. So that was how a computer works. Thank you for watching this video.